tableau, bastard. Woo! Hello. Fucking idiots out. Oh, I hate them. This is why I like working 8 till 8. You don't get any of the idiots around at this fucking time. Oh, I wonder why you stopped so far away from the line. Let me guess. Fucking mobiles. Fair play, I am liking this visor very much. It makes everything less blinding, so to speak. It takes out a lot of the white and blues. It's prone for thumbprints and fingerprints and smegma prints. The lot prints. I think my brakes were a bit iffy because of the 73, come on, that's the highest I got so far. 74, 75, 76, roughly, 76 roughly, 77, 77, 78, got a good old 78. I think, might be wrong. Wind drag, 76 with wind drag, 75 with wind drag, 74, 11k. Oh, I hear you. I know you want me. Naughty, naughty. Some people, man, just don't fucking care. Let's see if I can get some extra footage. Oh, I love fucking on the ground, fucking GTA motherfucker, there. Man, I look fucking sexy. I'm like a fucking space fucking astronaut, boy. Oh, I got my first bug splat. So cute. So cute, yeah. Let's get some air through. Wonder if people can stare into my soul now. Whoa. Very bouncy on the fucking back, like. Stay there, kid. If you enjoyed the video, I know it's not been much, but yeah, at least you got to see my fucking beautiful, sexy face. It's like a vision in a vision of a vision. Man. Oh, I had a bit of a swirly whirly there. Anyways, caress that little like button. Yeah, I can get through that. I've had tighter. Cheers, man. Or a fucking grumpy prick. Anyway, like, caress my body. Comment down below what you think of this episode and what improvements you would like to see, because I seem to be making all the improvements for you, and obviously you're my subscribers, so yeah, what do you want to see, man? Hit that subscribe button, people that aren't viewers, because I know you aren't, because it's like 60% of you, which is so high. Just do it, yeah? Subscribe.